In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do product research on Etsy the easy way. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, nailing down product research on Etsy is key to finding success in your niche. Let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, head over to Etsy.com. This might seem simple, but it's the crucial first step in understanding what potential buyers are looking for. As you arrive at the homepage, you'll want to start by typing in a niche keyword in the search bar. Think of something relevant to your interests or the market you want to explore, such as wedding invitation, budget planner, or SVG file. By doing this, you'll start to get a feel for what people are searching for in your category. As you type, take a moment to pay attention to the autocomplete suggestions that pop up. These suggestions are invaluable because they represent high-interest keywords that are commonly searched by users. Take note of these keywords as they can guide your research and product development. Next, go ahead and click on one of the popular keywords from these suggestions. This will lead you to a page populated with products related to that keyword, giving you a broad view of what's currently available in your chosen niche. To refine your search and get better insights, you'll want to make use of Etsy's filtering options. Look specifically at listings that have the bestseller tag. This tag is a clear indication that these products are performing well, and examining them can provide hints on what is resonating with buyers. In addition to this, customer reviews can also be highly insightful. Look for products with numerous positive reviews, as they often highlight features that attract buyers. While checking the reviews, make a point of noting those that mention recent purchases. This tells you that the product's appeal is current and that customers are truly interested in it right now. As you browse these products, watch out for simple designs that sell well. Simplicity often triumphs in the market, catering to a wide range of tastes. Additionally, identify any common themes such as particular color schemes, layouts, or wording that appear frequently. These themes can guide you in crafting products that fit buyers' current preferences. Once you've gathered insights from general products, it's crucial to explore the top shops within your niche. Check out how many products these shops offer and sort their listings by most recent and top rated. This will help you understand which of their new products are gaining traction and which time-tested items remain popular. Finally, spend some time reading through customer reviews to understand what buyers love or maybe don't particularly enjoy in existing products. These insights offer an invaluable peek into customer preferences and can inspire you to improve or innovate your own offerings. By systematically following these steps, you'll develop a robust understanding of your niche, identify potential opportunities, and set yourself up for success on Etsy. Happy researching, and best of luck in your Etsy journey.